Hey guys, you are watching the Electronic Noobs. In this video, I am building a super fun and easy LED chasing light kit. And trust me, it look awesome once it's done. So let's get started. Before we begin the build, let's take a quick look at everything that comes inside the kit. Alright, now let's take a closer look at each component one by one. This is CD401 decade counter IC. It takes the pulses and activates the LED one by one. Starting off, we have got 81 bright red LEDs. This is 555 timer IC. A speed control knob to tweak the LED chasing effect. Here is the tiny push button switch. These are 9014 NPN transistor. Then we need capacitors. Next we have few resistors and finally the PCB board. It's pre-designed with connection and easy to make. Now let's assemble all components. I am using this multimeter to check all the LEDs before soldering. Guys, I put so much effort and you guys forget to like the video, so please leave a like and comment. First I am placing all the LEDs because I want to complete the LED part first. Now let's begin with the soldering process. At first I am soldering IC sockets. After that we move on to the LEDs and you must check the polarity before soldering. So as you can see, the LEDs are looking awesome, right? Now it's time to solder rest of the component. Guys, if you're enjoying the video, share it with your friends.
A few minutes later.
The circuit is now fully assembled, everything is in place, the soldering looks neat and it's time for a quick visual check before powering it up. Now I am placing all the ICs and guys, make sure the notch is in same direction to the IC sockets, otherwise it can damage your circuit. So the final moment comes and now let's power it up. And guys, it's working. The LEDs started running in a loop one after another. These are the two potentiometer. It works like a joystick and let us control two direction. You can even control the speed of the effect. Slow it down or speed it up depending on your vibe. Guys, I really enjoy building this kit. It's easy to build and the result is super satisfying. Whether you are learning electronics or just looking for a cool weekend build, this chasing light kit is totally worth it. And in low light, it looks even better. Just look at that glow. Wow. If you guys are enjoying this project and want to support my work, please hit that subscribe button. Your one click takes me step closer to monetizing this channel and it means a lot. This project not only looks cool but also helps understand how basic components like transistor, IC and LEDs comes together to create interactive electronics. It's simple, fun and great DIY to level up your electronic skills. I hope this inspired you to build your own version too. So guys, what project you want to see next? Comment down below and see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye. And I am working on a cool project, so stay tuned for that.